How to change your password on Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can change our password on our Netflix account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to change your password on Netflix, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Netflix application here. Now there are two types of scenarios in this: if you're logged in and if you're not logged in. Now if you're not logged in and you don't remember the password, you have to reset it, which I'll also get to later on. This is assuming that if you're already logged into your account and you don't know the password and then you want to reset it, right? So once you're here, tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom right, then proceed on tapping the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then in this pop-up menu you simply have to go to the option known as account over here. So tap the three lines option and go to account. Then once you go to the account option, let this page to load up successfully first of all, and after it loads up you're going to be able to see this sort of interface in this case. लोड भएन यस्तो हुन्छ के
यस्तो बेला चाहिँ कसरी अब एडिट नै गर्नुपर्छ
यो अब यति पार्ट काट्दिनै पर्छ अब. Now once the page loads up over here, you simply want to look in this third option that says change password, so you can tap on the change password option here. Now if you remember your current password, that's perfectly fine. Enter your current password, then re-enter the new password and re-enter it again. If you want to sign out other devices, then you can select that option and tap on the save option. This will sign out everybody who's logged in, meanwhile also changing your password. Now let's assume that you don't remember your current password and you want to reset it. Then you'll find the blue button under the current password that says forgot password. So tap on the forgot password option over here, and then in this case you actually need to verify with your email address or your text message over here if you've added a phone number. Once you've done that, tap the email option. You will get a verification code. Once you verify the code, you'll be taken to the page where you can update the new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can change or reset your Netflix password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.